Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio. This is my monthly update, so we're going to be talking about whether the portfolio has been going up or down in the past month, some of the news that's been going on with the stocks that I own, and just new updates. So before we get started, we're going to go ahead and use one of these free stocks. We're going to open one of these, so claim free stock right here. I believe the person's name was Ryan. Now, as you all know, if you use my referral link that's in the description to sign up for Robinhood, you receive one free stock that's worth up to, I believe, either $200 or $300. That's the maximum that it can be worth. So you can get a free stock. Usually, minimum is like about $5 stock, let's say. But if you use my referral, you get a free stock when you sign up with Robinhood. So let's get into it and let's pick one of these. I'm going to pick the one all the way on the left. Okay, let's scratch this off and see what we get. So we got ticker symbol GLUU, Glue Mobile, or Glue Mobile. I've never actually seen this one before. This one is worth $5.65. Thank you guys for using my referral code. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best fans I could ever, find out there. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, the portfolio value right there is about $7,052.79. Today we closed in the green. Obviously we were up about $16 for the day. We had a pre-market was doing really good, and then when market opened, things didn't go so well. In the past week we've had some situations happen with the trade war. Now they're saying, oh, there is no deal coming. They were saying there was like a phase 1, phase 2 type thing, but now there's some negative things going on. So we were up about up to that amount, which was pretty much my all-time high. And we kind of dropped down here a lot yesterday, and we kind of recovered a little bit. But in the past month we are still killing it. So in the past month we're actually up $422.16, which is 6.37%. Majority of this is thanks to Disney and Microsoft mainly. In the past 3 months, as you can see, we're only up $227.40. And then if we click on the 1 year chart, we're up about $551.91, or if you want to say 8.49%. The all-time high, we were up about 10.2%, which was about $663. But this is really, really good. This portfolio is only like 7 months old, and we're up over that 7% goal. That was our goal for the year. But without further ado, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get updated every time I make a new video on the stock market or any updates. And let's take a look at this portfolio now. So we're going to take a look at this option called last. First off, in my portfolio, as you guys know, we have Microsoft. So how has Microsoft been doing in the past month? Well, let's take a look right here. In the past month, Microsoft is up about 3.2%, or $4.75. Right now, Microsoft's trading at $149.72, which is almost at the all-time high. Microsoft in the past 3 months, it's up about 7%. In the past year, about 42%, 41%. But we own 13 shares of Microsoft. Our equity value is $1,946. Our average price is $126.67. And currently our total return is $299.64, or 18.2%. Now, 18.2% gain on a stock, that is, really good. I'm loving it, really. And, we're pretty much at all-time highs. As you can see, this week we were at all-time highs at one point, and last week as well. Next up in the portfolio, we're going to have the one and only Disney. Disney, oh man, Disney is really, really my favorite stock right now, honestly. In the past week, it's down about 2%, but in the past month, we're up about 11.5%. We all know what came out in the beginning of November or mid-November, and that's Disney Plus. Ever since Disney Plus came out, this stock has been booming. And on the 3-month chart, we're still up 6.5%. 1 year, Disney's up about 32%. That is really good for Disney. I own, currently it's trading at $148.20, and I own 20 shares at an equity value of $2,964. Our average buy price is $131.57, and right now we're up about $332.53, or 12.64%, which once again is beating my goal of 7%. My goal is always 7% on each of these stocks or more, but these are obviously long-term goals, so every year I want 7% gain. We're already at 12% right there. As you can see, Disney was at an all-time high of $153.41, which is really, really good in my opinion. Disney's doing amazing, long-term hold. I might even buy some dips if we have some dips. Next up, we have AMD. AMD, another one of my stocks that's been doing really, really good this year, especially for the year. If we look at the 1 month chart, we're up about 8.5%. The 3 month chart, AMD is up 26%. And then on the 1 year chart, AMD is up 96%. Now, if any of you guys have bought in the past year or even 5 years, we're up 1,331% on the 5 year chart. Now, luckily or not luckily, unluckily, I didn't get at that price, but I have 10 shares, equity value of $396.60. Our average buy price is $28.47. Total return is $111.92 at a total return of 39.32%. 39% gain is amazing. So we're on a streak right now. We have Microsoft, Disney, and AMD all above that 7% goal. AMD was at an all-time high of $41.79 recently, but it's taking a small pullback. Obviously, it can't just keep going up and up, so it's going to take some pullbacks and continue up. I do wish that I would have owned more of this, but I didn't. But it's okay. I'm still up very, very nicely. Okay, next up we have McDonald's. McDonald's has not been doing so well because of the whole CEO situation that happened earlier on, about a month ago, I believe. In the past month, McDonald's is up about 2.5%, but on the 3 month chart, McDonald's is down 11.5%. McDonald's is only up about 6% at one point. I mean, we were at all-time highs of about $220, but that whole CEO situation brought it down. But if you really think about it, this is just an opportunity for people to buy on the dip. I believe this is a nice dip right now. We're going to consolidate right here, and I feel like we're going to rise back up to those prices eventually. I mean, if you're a long-term holder, you have nothing to worry about. I own 6 shares at an equity value of $1,165. Average buy price was $210. Our total return is negative $96 or negative 7.5%. So I met my goal, except it's not in the positive, it's in the negative. So I'm down 7% on this position. $210 average cost. It's $194 right now. I should really be thinking about buying a couple more on the dip. Also, I'm receiving a dividend of 2.3% on this one, and it's going to be paying me out this month, actually in December, and so is Microsoft, I believe. Microsoft is paying me a dividend this month too, so I'm going to be receiving a good chunk from that. Next up, we have Waste Management. Waste Management is just a stock I bought for safety reasons, really. It doesn't really move too much, at least recently. In the past month, it's only up about 2%. In the past 3 months, we're down 5%, and then in the past year, it's up about 23.5%. I feel like it's just consolidating and going up and down. It's not really doing much. I own 5 shares, equity value of $564. Our average buy price is $112 a share. Currently, we're up about $4.30 or about 0.77%. Now, this one does also have a dividend of 2%, so it's not too bad. At least I'm getting some dividends from it. But that is pretty much what I own in the portfolio. And obviously now I just received that, share from one of you guys that used my referral code. We do have this Disney call option. This call option is for January 17, 2020. And it is a buy call for $180 per share, pretty much. Currently it's at $148. It was at $150. So Disney kind of needs to go up about $35 in the next, let's say month and a week. I don't think it's going to happen. This was a gamble that I took at the beginning of the year. It didn't work out. So, I mean, the maximum I can lose $130, which I pretty much already, lost $126. So I'm not really worried about it. It's not really bothering me, but it could have went better. I could have done things differently, but we live and we learn, guys. You can't win them all. I mean, as you can see right here, if I do this, obviously I'm negative on that one, but I have some really good positives one right there. Even though McDonald's is down, everything else is still up. And I had some good trades with Enphase Energy in the beginning of the year. I believe I made about $200 or $300. But options have not been going well for me this year. So maybe that's not for me. We all live and we learn. Like I said, practice makes perfect. So yeah, guys, leave a comment below. How has your portfolio been doing in this time? November was a really good month for us. Let's see what December has to bring. Hopefully it's not a repeat of last year, because last year's December was horrible for us. So yeah, leave a comment below. How what is your top stock, percentage wise? How much are you up on it? Make sure you smash that like button for me. Let's get 50 likes on this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up with all the content that I upload. I'm going to be making some more videos coming up soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.